What's good? What's good, everybody? First of all, first of all-time highs. Second of all, or secondly, however you prefer it, let's get the elephant out of the room. I have hair. I have hair. I usually wear a hat. I have hair. Let me wear that. So your boy has hair, bro. He has hair. You know what I'm saying? I just got a cut. But why I like to wear a hat is because where I'm at, that's why the glasses are transition or transitional or wherever the lenses are. If I'm butchering the names or the pronunciation, it is what it is, bro. Um, but I like wearing hats. But yeah, your boy has hat. Oh, your boy has hair. Okay, dude, the portfolio, the YouTube beginners portfolio, which I created not too long ago, is at all-time highs. And when I say it's at all-time high, it is at all-time high. Look at it. Bro, that's crazy. Like, with Nvidia and with everything going on, 12,486. Madness, bro. Look at where Nvidia's is. Crazy. This is what I'm saying, bro. Even if you're a beginner, you can make this thing happen, bro. Like your money works for 225. Our average cost as a beginner in this portfolio is 187. So we've made $66. Yes, we're not financially free or anything of that sort. But if you don't know anything about me, first of all, let's get this out of the way. Yes, I have hair, but that's not what I'm trying to say. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial certified advisor of any sort. I can't tell you what to buy or hold or sell. What I can do and tell you is that I've been in the market, the stock market that is, since 2015. And I started this beginners YouTube portfolio to show people like you guys or whoever wants to learn. I was trying to talk to a person like me, a younger Jeremy Waller back in the day, 18, 19, whatever, bro. Like I'm trying to, say that, guys, we all can do this. We all can make it happen. And this is how I'm doing it. I wanted to show you guys, without further ado, just want to make sure the volume's on. Without further ado, get into your investing journey, right? Right. Now, if you think $66 ain't a lot, which is it ain't a lot in today's world, right? But check this out, right? Just because Nvidia is up, also check out CRM. The stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. Damn, my guy. Let me tell you, bro. Let me tell you, just today it's $45. Again, like, guys, look at percentages. The percentage is 22% up in a day, right? In a day. If you got into this stock a week ago, right? A week ago, it was 205. If you got a month ago, 180. If you got into the stock 3 months ago, you could pick it up at 150, 160. But check this out. Check this out. If you thought $66 are cheap, we made $474. Almost 50% up as a beginner. Now, I'm treating this account as a beginner. I have the knowledge that I've been in this market, like I said, in 2015. So from 2015 to 2026, I'm in the market, right? Now, it's about 10 years and some change, like 11. But what I'm trying to say is that beginners out there, guys, I'm speaking to you, like, you don't need to be overwhelmed and have anxiety and be scared, bro. You can make this stuff happen. It's mad, mad, mad easy. And when I say easy, of course, you have to do your research, you have to connect to the right circle. You want to learn from people who've had the red flags, right? So have lost money, but are still in the game, still have the stomach to be in the game, the appetite to grow. And like you can follow whoever you want. I'm not saying what you must do, but I'm connected with the right people and I've learned my way. I burned my fingers, burned those bridges, whatever you want to call it, lost money, made money, but I've learned, bro. Money makes money. Money is a tool. These are my words, my preference, my point of view, my opinion. $476. Bro, let me tell you, bro. Let me tell you, if you just had $1,000 sitting in your bank and it's not even a high yield account, you're losing money because of inflation. Right? Things your $100 couldn't buy what $100 could buy in 2015. So when I got in the market, my $100 bought me so many things. It might have bought me 30 items. Now I go to the bodega, the grocery, whatever you want to call it, the Publix, wherever you are in the world. It's bought if in 2015 my $100 bought me 25 things, it's buying me 10 things today or less, right? And this is why I'm trying to tell you guys. We started this account with $1,000, bro, and we kept on dollar cost averaging, putting some money in. Right now, we have no buying power, but it's grown, right? So, in one day, we woke up in this beginner's portfolio and it's made $358, right? 1 week ago, $654 in 1 week. You know what I mean? A month, we made about 1,300 now and 98, almost 1,004. 3 months, 606. So you can look at the date. If you go all time, year to date, 720. 1 year, down 380. All time, we're up 266. Now, why does it look like this? It looks like this because this portfolio had just crypto in it before. And when crypto was down earlier this year, and Robinhood kind of changed their price points of buying and selling on Robinhood, I moved all my crypto out, or I sold it and moved it to Coinbase. That's the only reason. Otherwise, we're still up, right? Even with that, like we had about like 15 something in it, and bang, we took it out. We did some, rotation business adjustments, right? And we started the beginners YouTube portfolio on my channel. And right now, bro, it's cooking, bro. Bitcoin, we just have a little bit of Bitcoin in this portfolio. What's it at? What's it at? What's it at? So we made 32%. We got in at 60,000 in the portfolio, and we just in it, bro. In it. But let me tell you guys, tomorrow, 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 I'm gonna go through what's I'm ranking this portfolio from one being my numero uno stock in this portfolio, and 2, 3, 4. Like, I'm ranking everything, right? So yes, I'm also ranking which stock can be like one, as in like number one, like my Meta stock. I've always been in Meta since day one in terms of that's my first stock I ever bought. I still think it's number one in this portfolio as well. And we're still buying. We're still buying Meta with whatever's going on. This is the first stock that made me rich. And I'm continuing to. And being rich is whatever, right? Rich in knowledge, rich in value, dollars, whatever you want to call it, right? Rich in culture, right? Rich in health, right? So right now, Meta in this portfolio is we're down $65. We're down 3%. Bro, we're just going to accumulate as much as we can. Not today, tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm going to rank. So if you want to sub, like, come tomorrow, join right now. Bro, I appreciate you guys. Yeah. And if you like this sort of content, comment below, bro. I'm in it to win it, right? No fear. Let's do it. So CRM, 48%. Crazy, bro. Crazy. In this baby portfolio, we have about 5.8 shares. It's crazy, bro. Look at it, bro. You just made $480, bro. Bro, this is why they say the rich, when they sleep, they make money. Bro, I was sleeping. I woke up. Okay. I checked this account just before I went live with you guys, and we're like $370, bro. In a YouTube beginner's portfolio, bro. Beginner. So I'm treating this account as a beginner, right? Why am I saying it's a beginner? Because we're literally in everything that is trending. Nvidia, trending. We're in it. Meta, trending. Everyone's on it. Meta. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever, bro. Whatever else they do. Oculus, whatever. Salesforce, if you are like young and you're in the market, everybody's office has Windows, Microsoft Office. You're using Salesforce, CRM. So let's look at Microsoft. Where's it at? Here, 27% now, bro. 2.68 shares, baby shares, bro. Right? How much have we made? Bang, $292, 27% now. That's what I'm telling you guys. Service now. If you're going and spending your dollars and shopping and whatever, most of the point of sale where you tap are by service now, right? The OS and the systems and whatever. Bang. Almost 40%, $190. Bang. That's what I'm telling you guys, bro. Elf Beauty, bro. In your household, someone's bought, maybe you buy products from Elf Beauty. Bro, look at it. How much? Let's go. Bro, come on now. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. I have hair. That's the elephant out of the room. But bro, 85% up. Come on now. Get with the program. Like, money makes money. Money is a tool, bro. These are just my point of view, my opinions. Bro, let's get it, bro. Let's get it. I'm trying to hit. I was talking to my brother earlier today. Let me tell you this, bro. I was talking to my brother today, and you know what he was saying? He was telling me that why do you have like companies in all your portfolios? First of all, why do you have so many portfolios, right? I was telling him, bro, every dish has salt, right? Every dish. Every dish has salt as an ingredient. Why? Because it makes the dish elevated, right? And this is why I have companies like SoFi, Nvidia, ETFs in 4 to 5 of my portfolios, right? And it has these things because I'm accumulating these shares. No matter it's Nvidia, no matter it's Meta, no matter Microsoft, Apple, these other ETFs, SPMOV, I'm accumulating them. Although they're duplicated in these other portfolios, I'm accumulating as well, right? Why? Because these other portfolios have these same things, the duplication, but they also have other stocks that I'm not in, right? Like I also buy Fubu and all these other things just to give you Fubu TV, just to give it's in Mumu. Now that Fubu, I don't have it in other things. But the salt, the example of the salt, like the Nvidias, the AMDs, they will be in other portfolios as well because I might have got in at earlier time or they were just there. And but that's the salt. So I'm in those as well, right? Just like the YouTube beginners portfolio, I put Nvidia here. There's no AMD, but I put Nvidia to Google because I use these two. I'm on YouTube right now. Google Alphabet owns it, right? So it's in this portfolio. It's in Mumu. It's in Robert Fidelity. It's in Webull, right? And if you guys want to use my links, I'm not affiliated with any of these companies. I'm just recommend them because I use them personally, right? Guys, today I wanted to just get on right now and share with you guys the all-time high of our YouTube beginners portfolio. We were just at 1.5. See, there you go. Sorry, 1.5, 12.5, right? And bro, I'm telling you, it's coming, bro. And remember, if the market dips, bro, relax. I'm gonna buy more because I believe these like build a portfolio that 3, 5, 8 years down the line, you open it and you're proud of this portfolio. This is why get into companies, get into things that you know, teach yourself, do your DD, do your due diligence, right? Roam, connect with people that you want to, that you see that they're ahead of you. Connect with them, reach out, message them on Instagram, LinkedIn, and like, bro, like, I see you putting this post. Can I connect with you? Can I learn from you? Right? Ask your mentors. Can they be your mentors? Bro, hit me up. Follow me. Like if you like this sort of content, bro, it's man easy, bro. I'm telling you. With the tools and the way how everything's app related to it, everyone should be making money, in my opinion. Right? Everyone can like I was telling my brother, bro. Like I was spending money on 3+ years ago on alcohol, going out to the clubs, drinking fancy tequila, 1940 Don Julio, bro. For what, bro? For what? I've been 3+ years sober. I ain't. And all that money every week, every day, I'm just pushing into the market in my portfolio. I'm not here to brag, boast. I'm like, bro, like if I can do it, I'm trying to get my health in check, going boxing, going to the gym, trying to eat good. I get my meals from Fit Life, for now. You know what I mean? Because the wife's away. So like when she's here, she's cooking good. Shout out Sophie. That's the wifey. Bro, like you gotta love yourself. Love yourself and love what you do. Make it happen. Make them dollars. It's man easy, bro. Come on now. Right? So, Robinhood. I use Robinhood. This is what I'm saying. So, I buy Robinhood. Now, I'm not telling you what to buy all of a sudden. Robinhood, as a company, as a stock, whenever crypto is trending, Robinhood is trending. I want to buy, and I love buying Robinhood when crypto is like fear, red. You'll see Robinhood tanking, Bitcoin tanking, the whole cryptocurrency category tanking, and that's when I pick up, right? Now, in this portfolio, Robinhood, we got an $81. It's currently 110, right? So we are about 36%, 608. So we made about $162. But guys, this is what I'm trying to say, right? You can make this happen, bro. You can make this happen. Let me give you, I'm going to go off right now because I'm going to the boxing class, right? Bang, bang. And still, if you don't know, now you know, right? EUV. If you hear about this Marvel, you hear about Coherent, Lumet, whatever, bro. Let's get into it. So I'm buying this ETF, bro. Right? I'm not telling you to buy all this stuff. Marvel, Sienna, Coherent, Corning, KLA, Lam Research, Taiwan Semiconductor, ASML, Applied Materials, and I don't know if I said this, Lumentum, right? Now, this is an ETF, bro. It just came out in the market, right? Just came out, bro. Inception date, May 5th, 2026. Bro, that's it. These are the sectors: technology, basic materials, consumer cyclical. These are what is. So if you're hearing about this company, bang, I'm in this ETF. Why am I in this ETF? It's because it's safe. Now I only have one share in this portfolio of this, right? Bro, it just came out. Relax. All these companies were trending like massively recently. This is why I buy some skin in the game, track it, see how it does, right? Look at this. 1 month is just ballooned up, right? And like in 1 month it's 42%. But what I'm trying to say, like if you go back, so if you want that stock, that's the ETF your boy is buying, right? Let me tell you this, bro. Let me go back to, so that's EUV. You can check up what LYT is. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to rank all the stocks in this, besides the ETFs, rank all the stocks, individual stocks in this portfolio from 1 to 10, 1 being the highest. But that portfolio did 40 something, right? In a month. Bro, where's CRM gone? Bro, just today, 22. 1 week, 22. 1 month, almost similar. You see what I'm saying? Right. So I'm in this company for the long run, Salesforce. I'm not selling any Salesforce in any of my portfolios. Right. I just wanted to leave you with that, guys. All times high, bro. 12502. Come on now. Yes, I have hair. Check it out. Everybody's like, do you have hair? Yes, I have hair, bro. I just cut it. Right. What do you think of my hair? It's obviously I've been wearing a cap. What the hell? Anyway, bro. Catch you guys tomorrow. Make it happen. Don't sleep on this, bro. Do your thing. One love. Peace. Blessings. Let's go. Make that money. Own it. Make it happen.